Today we're going to log into Apple Music in your new Panamera. This allows you to listen to Apple Music without your cell phone being present after the activation. It's best practice to go ahead and log into Apple Music on your device prior to setup. Let's begin. First, start with the media icon on the main screen, and you'll find the Apple Music icon. You can see it here, but if it wasn't here, you could hit the three dots and find it in that menu. I'm going to select Apple Music, and now we have a QR code. Open the camera on your mobile device, hold it over the QR code, and select the link. It's going to ask you, would you like to use your Apple ID? Continue. You can see I've got Face ID turned on. If not, you would have to use your username and password. Now it's going to make an access request. Select Allow. Your Apple Music account link is now successful. As you can see, your home, your library, and also a Featured by Porsche set playlist is available for you to listen to. You now have Apple Music set up on your new Panamera.